So here is an iPhone charger. These are the braided style. This is a 6-footer, but nice silver in color, and this is for an iPhone. So it's got a really good connection. I've already noticed that. It seems to be really well made. Let's zoom in a little bit on that. That's the tip, obviously, and it seems to lock in well. I've already have 2 of these in the car. One's in one car, one's in the other, but it has a really good connection. So I'm gonna just take my charger. These chargers are great because they're the brick. These are 2.1 amps, but they have a double plug-in. But anyway, let's plug this in right here, just like that, and we'll plug this in. I'm actually taking video on my phone, and let's see if we. There we go, and it's charging. Awesome. Okay, so anyway, yeah, this works great for charging your phone for anything that requires USB. But any other device that has the lightning cable, just like that. So anyway, I can highly recommend these. These will definitely work out, and you should definitely check them out.